You sit down to work, full of intention, and somehow, minutes later, you're scrolling, clicking, drifting. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you don't care. In fact, you care more than ever, but your mind feels scattered. It feels like it's being pulled in 100 directions at once. You try to focus, but something invisible keeps breaking your attention. And the worst part, it feels like you're losing control of your own brain. What if I told you it's not your fault? There's a clear reason this is happening, a way out that most people completely overlook. If you've ever opened your laptop to do something important and ended up doing everything except that one thing, you're not alone. This isn't just distraction. This is something deeper, something built into the way your environment is shaping your attention every single day. Let's start with something simple. Your brain wasn't designed for constant stimulation. It evolved to focus on one meaningful task at a time: finding food, solving a problem, staying safe. But today, your brain is living in a completely different world. Notifications, short videos, endless scrolling, quick hits of information. Your mind is constantly being trained to expect something new every few seconds. Every time you switch tasks, check your phone, or scroll for just a minute, your brain gets a tiny reward. Over time, this rewires your attention span. It teaches your brain that focus is boring and distraction is rewarding. So when you sit down to do something that actually matters, your brain resists. Not because you're weak, but because it's been trained that way. Think about the last time you tried to focus for 30 minutes straight. How long did it take before you felt the urge to check something? Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. The problem isn't just external distractions. It's internal noise. Even when there's nothing distracting you, your mind creates distractions on its own. You remember something you forgot to do. The real solution isn't forcing focus. It's removing the things that are breaking it. Imagine your attention like a muscle. If you overload it constantly, it doesn't get stronger. It gets weaker. Is your phone within reach? Even something as small as a buzzing phone can reduce your ability to concentrate. The more you feed your brain quick hits of stimulation, the harder it becomes to stay with something slow and meaningful. But here's the good news. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. It can relearn how to focus. One of the simplest things you can do is create friction. Move your phone out of reach. Turn off non-essential notifications. Start with just 10 minutes of uninterrupted focus. No checking, no switching, no distractions. Just one task. Over time, your brain starts to adjust. It begins to remember what it feels like to focus deeply. Before you start anything, ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to do right now? Specificity reduces resistance. Energy matters. You can't focus if you're mentally exhausted. Sleep, breaks, and doing nothing play a bigger role than you realize. Distraction is often an escape from discomfort. If a task feels overwhelming, break it down, make it manageable. Focus isn't about intensity. It's about consistency. The act of coming back to your task is what strengthens your attention. Your attention isn't broken. It's just been trained in the wrong direction. And if it can be trained one way, it can be trained back. The next time you feel the urge to escape, notice it, pause, and gently bring your attention back. Until one day, you sit down to work, and instead of drifting away, you stay. And that's when everything starts to change. If you want to take control of your focus and build a stronger mind, make sure to check out the next video on this channel.